Dear students, welcome to Tagore Smart Learning YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn important English idioms from the Class 10th PSEB English Grammar book from the vocabulary section. This is part 2 of the idiom series. The link of part 1 is given in the description. Let us begin. Blue blood means belonging to an aristocratic, noble or highly respectable family. Prince Charles has blue blood in his veins. इस मुहावरे का अर्थ है कि किसी व्यक्ति का जन्म उच्च वर्ग या शाही परिवार में हुआ हो. ऐसे लोग सामाजिक रूप से प्रतिष्ठित माने जाते हैं. A bosom friend means a very intimate and trusted friend. I told him everything because he is my bosom friend. इसका अर्थ है बहुत ही करीबी मित्र, जिससे हम बिना झिझक अपने दिल की हर बात साझा कर सकते हैं. To beat about the bush means to avoid saying something directly. Do not beat about the bush, come to the point. इस मुहावरे का प्रयोग तब होता है जब कोई व्यक्ति सीधी बात न करके इधर उधर की बातें करता है और मुद्दे से बचता है. By virtue of means on account of or because of something. He got the job by virtue of his father's influence. इसका अर्थ है किसी विशेष कारण या प्रभाव के चलते कोई लाभ प्राप्त होना, न कि केवल अपनी योग्यता के कारण. By leaps and bounds means at a very fast speed. The country has advanced by leaps and bounds. इस मुहावरे का अर्थ है बहुत तेजी से प्रगति करना या आगे बढ़ना. On the cards means something is likely or probable to happen. It is on the cards that India will make a hydrogen bomb. इसका अर्थ है कि किसी घटना के होने की पूरी संभावना है. To carry the day means to prove superior or to succeed in the end. In spite of the initial reverses, we will carry the day. इसका अर्थ है शुरुआत में कठिनाइयों के बावजूद अंत में विजय प्राप्त करना. A cat and dog life means a life full of constant quarrels and fights. The husband and wife are leading a cat and dog life. इस मुहावरे का अर्थ है ऐसा जीवन जिसमें लगातार झगड़े और कलह बनी रहती है. To call a spade means to speak plainly and honestly. Only a man of moral strength can call a spade. इसका अर्थ है बिना डर और बिना घुमाव के सच्चाई को साफ साफ कहना. A clean slate means to make a fresh beginning. After the marriage, both the partners start with a clean slate in their relations. इस मुहावरे का अर्थ है पुराने मतभेद भूलकर नए सिरे से शुरुआत करना. A close shave means a narrow escape from danger. The other day I had a close shave when my scooter was hit by a speeding car. इसका अर्थ है किसी बड़े खतरे से बहुत मुश्किल से बच पाना. A cock and bull story means an absurd or unbelievable story. Your cock and bull story proves nothing. इस मुहावरे का प्रयोग झूठी और बेबुनियाद कहानी के लिए किया जाता है. To come to light means to become known or public. During the course of the inquiry, many strange facts came to light. इसका अर्थ है किसी छुपी हुई बात या सच्चाई का सामने आ जाना. To come to pass means to happen or to occur. What you told me before has come to pass. इस मुहावरे का अर्थ है पहले कही गई बात का सच हो जाना. Crocodile tears means false or pretended tears. He shed crocodile tears at the death of his stepmother. इसका अर्थ है दिखावटी या नकली दुहक प्रकट करना. Call it a day means to stop doing something for the time being. When the search went unrewarded, the police decided to call it a day. इसका अर्थ है किसी काम को अस्थायी रूप से रोक देना. Call the shots means to take decisions or control a situation. In the company, the chairman usually calls the shots. इस मुहावरे का अर्थ है निर्णय लेने का पूरा अधिकार अपने हाथ में रखना. Charity begins at home means one should look after one's own interests first. The officer believes in the dictum of charity begins at home and offers every vacant post to his relatives. इसका अर्थ है पहले अपने लाभ और हितों को प्राथमिकता देना. Clear the deck means to make everything ready. With the arrival of the foreign minister, decks were cleared for further negotiation. इस मुहावरे का अर्थ है किसी महत्वपूर्ण कार्य से पहले सारी तैयारी पूरी कर लेना. A close-fisted person means a miser. Do not expect monetary help from your grandfather. He is a close-fisted person. इसका अर्थ है अत्यधिक कंजूस व्यक्ति जो पैसा खर्च करने से बचता है. Dear students, I hope you understood today's idioms clearly. If you have any doubt, write it in the comment section. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the Tagore Smart Learning channel. Goodbye for now. See you soon. Thank you.